Hyxi shows a wide portfolio of storage solutions: balcony, residential storage, and also C&I. Everything optimized with AI. Let's take a look. Hello and welcome to PV Guided Tours. We are right now at the booth from Hyxi. Right next to me stands Sebastian Durban. Hi, he's sales manager for the region here. Sebastian, you just told me that you changed your name, or the company changed the name. What's the story behind it?
We changed the name on the 1st of January this year from Hyxi Power to Hyxi. Right on time or right on spot to the birthday of our 500,000th inverter. We wanted to put our brand on the next level. We switched it from Hyxi Power to Hyxi because Hyxi just is a bit smaller. It looks more technical. We changed the color to gray, which is just more on where the world is right now. Where we are right now, it's very technical. It looks technical and puts us on a new level.
Now, what are you showcasing this year? What are the highlights?
At this trade fair, at this show, everything is under the motto all-in-one. So we present 3 different all-in-one versions. The first one is for the balcony, for the small sector micro ESS. It's our Halo. Secondly, we have the Aura, which is an all-in-one system for the residential market. And last but not least, our Atlas, which is a all-in-one system, AC coupled version for the C&I sector, a cabinet.
Okay, I see. And right now we are standing in front of the balcony system. Can you give us some more details about this?
This is our Halo system. We have it in different versions. This is one version. It's the version with MPPTs. So basically you can connect modules directly to it. It's an inverter. It is a battery and you can enlarge it until 18 kilowatt hours. Very important here, we are from the automotive sector, so every product is automotive grade. So you get the best quality, highest safety measures, and we can guarantee a weight of 28 kilograms. This is caused by new cells we are using in this product. And we are the first who offer fire protection in a balcony system. So it's a very special product. And we offer it besides the MPPT version as AC coupled version. So you don't even need to add any panels to it. You can basically add it to the socket and you are done. So one stop go.
I see, very interesting. You already mentioned this storage for the residential market.
Yes. This is our Aura system, our all-in-one version for the residential sector. It's the highlight at the show. Very important here to mention is it's a real all-in-one. So you have a 3-phase full home backup without any additional gateway, backup box whatsoever. The full home backup is covered within this head, within the inverter. So on the top we have the inverter and below that are the batteries. The batteries have a size between 9 and 7 kilowatt hours. You can choose and combine them in a size you want. You can put 2 in parallel. So in total, you can have 108 kilowatt hours of battery. Also very important, it's a smart meter inside. So the work you need to do to put this in your basement or wherever in your house is very small, very efficient, and it's a real all-in-one because you don't need to add anything else.
Okay, really practically, I think. You mentioned the trading and the energy management already.
Yes.
How does this work?
We have our own app, and within the app we have included a AI-based option where you can trade, where you can monitor, and where you can basically use all options you want to have for trading or usage of energy. It's our own app, it's our own AI. We developed everything ourselves, and you can do VPP via it. So basically, within 2 weeks learning time, you have your own AI working for you so that you can use your energy for yourself as good and as efficient as possible.
And before you mentioned the solution for C&I storage. Could we also have a look at this one?
Let's have a look on the Atlas. Right, this is our Atlas. This is our C&I cabinet solution. Let's have a look inside.
Okay.
So here you can see our liquid-cooled cabinet, the Atlas, 261 kilowatt hours battery. The very important thing here is it's liquid cooled. So of course you have to maintenance it, but we wanted to make sure that you have a as relaxed way of maintaining as possible. So we add a liquid tank on the top of it, which refills the system automatically for 2 years. Then you have to start to maintenance it. Also very important to mention here is you can put 10 pieces of it in parallel, so you can have 2.6 megawatt hours of battery with this cabinet when you put 10 in parallel, of course. And if you want to add an STS, you can even have backup power for maximum of 5 cabinets, so you can have a backup of 1.3 megawatt hours.
Thank you. That's a smart solution, I guess. Thank you for the insight in your whole portfolio, Sebastian.
Thank you very much.
Good luck. And you now, once you get more information, please follow the web link down here.